Today's helpful how-to video is pretty much going to be on showing you how to remove your switch out of your, headlight switch. Duh. So what we got here is a replacement switch. My plug actually melted, and it's toasted some of these terminals, as you can see, and they rusty, and this right here is pretty well ain't even working, and it was finicky. So I went ahead and ordered a replacement one to go into the truck. Now I done installed the new plug-in and everything. It's on my channel. You can search for that, or leave me a comment if you would like me to send you the link to that video. So anyway, once you get this removed, this is pretty much how it's going to look. It might have a different style bracket on it depending if it's in a Mustang, F-150, F-350, or just depending on the application, but it's pretty much the same switch, same plug-in too. So you want to go ahead and loosen this guy. You can actually wait to do this before and after you remove this, or if you're just changing this, you don't have to wait. But you got a button. See, you will have to mash. Now you mash this in, and then you pull this out. Now sometimes you might have to take pliers to it, because it can be a pain in the ass to get out, but it will come out. So let's go ahead and try it. Just like so. And this is your wad. Now you can put that up to the side and use it into your new switch, just like so. Now I actually went ahead and bought a new knob. This knob me and Matt actually purchased for the truck, so we could have this fancy little emblem, because ours was wore off of the knob, and since we got everything else new from the plug-in to the switch, we might as well have a new knob. So if you are doing what I just did, bought all that new, you want to go ahead and take this guy out, just like so, because you will be using this, and go ahead and install it into your new one. Now you can Loctite this, but there ain't no need. Just get it snug. And make sure it's facing the same way it came off, because this bolts the switch up, and that looks pretty close to what we had. If not, I can always loosen it when I go to install it. Let's go ahead and tighten this down just a smidge. There we go. Now once you get that, you go ahead and install your new knob and stuff. Now it's directional, and it can go in 3 ways. So you want to make sure it goes in the actual way it needs to, like as it's plugged into the thing, because you can actually install this little guy right here upside down, and then if you OCD, it will look awful. So to install this, I'm going to go check and make sure which way it needs to go, and then we will insert this the way it needs to be. This is the part number for the switch that you see in the video. So now we figured out, I actually went back and held it in the way it should mount, and this is how it mounts. It's pretty simple, just like so. And as you can see, this one was killed out. You see the spring and stuff. You can actually see the contact here. This contact's over on this side, just like so. So is this one, see? So it's pretty much the same. Now if you prefer to be this way, it's easy to change. If you do mess it up, you can just push this and remove this rod at one time. But this is how ours installs. And now to install it, hold this button in and mash, and it will click into place as you heard. Let go of the button. Whoops. Okay, let's try it again. Hit the button, insert it, mash, let go. Oh, it didn't take, did it? Okay, don't hit the button. And if you want to remove it, hit the button and pull. Or not. It's a little rough. Probably what's new. Hit the button and then pull. As you can see, it's trying to pull out. It just ain't fully. But it works. That's the main thing. Hopefully we don't need to pull it out. Sounds a lot better than what we had. Quality feels pretty good on this part. It feels actually about the same as this one. And I'm pretty sure this one is an OEM Ford. I ain't 100% on that. But as you can see, it's made about identical. But it was time to look at this. This ain't no good, guys. It's just bun up, shorted out. It's seen better days. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop me a like, leave me a comment, and let me know in the comment section what you was working on and how you doing. I enjoy hearing from everyone, and show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. And I will have a full install video uploaded on my channel of this plug coming soon. So if you be something you interested in, just stay tuned for that. But this was just installing this installing and removing this shaft. You know, that way you ain't playing with your shaft all day. And yeah, see ya. Thank you for watching.